should play the title role.
Oh
yeah.
So I don't know. They may be giving you a call.
I see what you think about me,
yeah.
Jeff.
Oh, so you have your awesome meteorologist. You're also an actress on your resume, huh?
Right. Yeah. I don't know about that one, but you know, as far as meteorology goes, I'm going to be working hard this week, I think.
You are, man.
Hey, we got some rain to talk about.
Yeah.
Wettest weather of the season. You know, we've been asking for it. We've been asking, all of us have.
Yes.
The rain, the cool down, and the mountain snow. And we're going to get all three of those.
Things are kind of straightening out, aren't they?
They really are. We needed it to ramp up, and it is ramping up in a big way. 62 degrees out there right now, so enjoy this dry time. Skies mostly cloudy, and we started off on the chilly side today. We started off only in the mid-40s here in Portland, and some areas in the low 40s. Well, it won't be quite as chilly tonight thanks to all the cloud cover rolling on in. So as we go through the rest of the evening, cloudy skies, temperatures falling from the upper 50s to the mid-50s by 11 o'clock. We may see a sprinkle here and there, and then we'll watch for some light rain to develop overnight. So that'll be developing late tonight, and we'll bottom out at about 52 degrees. So it won't be as chilly, and certainly above average for this time of the year too. Out there right now, we're still again in the upper 50s and low 60s up and down I-5. You get into central and eastern Oregon, and we're cooling things off down towards Redmond and Burns. We're in the low to mid 50s there. Astoria still really mild at 61 degrees, but you'll get down to the low to mid 50s tonight. And then central and eastern Oregon down into the upper 30s instead of the 20s thanks to the cloud cover. Again, a little bit milder for all of us tonight. Here's what's happening out there. Cloud cover gradually moving on in from the south and west. You can even see some showers spreading up to the north, and then more of it developing just off the coast here. So that's all going to be sweeping on through, with most of it arriving as we go through the day tomorrow. So just a few sprinkles trying to drift northward along the valley. Some of that probably not even making it to the ground. It's just really, really light out there. Tomorrow morning, though, it will be making it to the ground, and it will be a little wet for the good morning commute. I don't think it'll be coming down too heavily, but we'll definitely have a steady rain out there across much of the metro area, back into central Oregon too. And then we go into later in the morning, and we will see some of that rain start to break up a bit. By the time we get into the afternoon, mostly cloudy skies, and then we're watching for showers to pop up, and that's when they could get a little bit more intense. And some of these could be on the heavy side as we wrap up the day and head into our evening commute. So that could definitely slow some things down on the roads if that times out right tomorrow. But it does look like the heavier stuff does hold off until right about that time, and then a few more showers pushing through as we go through the overnight hours. We get into Thursday, we may have some lingering showers around early in the morning, but by the time we wrap it up, we're going to see some clearing and breaking of the cloud. We'll break up some of that cloud cover there, and so we'll see maybe some spot showers in the high terrain, but I think we'll get a break, and this will be our window to get out and get whatever you need to get done outdoors perhaps before the next system rolls through. That arrives first thing Friday morning. This one will be a little wetter for us, and then we'll continue to see another wave of moisture move through for Saturday for Halloween, and that one could be the heaviest one that we see yet. So rain total forecast as we start overnight tonight all the way through Friday evening, we could be looking at picking up 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain. So we'd still be below normal for the month, but we'd be trying to make some ground here. By the time we get into Saturday and by midnight or 1 a.m. here as we go into Sunday morning, we're looking at the potential to pick up between 2.25 inches and 2.5 inches as it looks right now for the metro area. So 2 inches, maybe some isolated spots picking up 3 inches. That's what it looks like right now. And it looks like the bulk of the action is going to be from the metro back towards the north. So I don't think the totals will be quite as high the farther south you go. But either way, it looks like it is going to be a wet Halloween and a very, very wet one for the trick-or-treaters. I'm talking mud everywhere, so you better go ahead and get ready for that. Coastal forecast tomorrow, cloudy with rain showers. Won't be too heavy, but we could see the occasional heavy shower during the afternoon. Low 60s for highs there. I-5 highs in the low 60s with rain in the morning, then watching for scattered showers in the afternoon. Central and eastern Oregon, we'll have some scattered showers here too. It'll be a bit breezy at times. Southwest winds 15 to 20. And then your forecast for the Cascades, we'll have showers. The snow level will start up around 8,000 feet, but it will be dropping, and so we may get some high level snow out of this, down to about 6,500 feet. I think that'll be the extent of it though. Mostly cloudy for the Gorge, and we'll see showers there from time to time as well. Here's a 7-day forecast. So 57 tomorrow, back up to 60 Thursday, which we try to dry things out for a bit. Turning wet on Friday, and then heavy showers likely at this point for Saturday, and then more scattered showers Sunday and Monday. In fact, you see that dip in the temperatures, highs in the mid-50s. That may be a little conservative. We may be struggling to even get to the low 50s, and that's when we're going to see this cold air move overhead, and we could actually get some really good mountain snow. So we're talking snow all the way down to the passes. because we're going to get this cold air moving aloft with that next system that moves in Sunday, Monday. So wouldn't that be something? So some mountain snow, a lot of rain, and we may even end up right where we should be for October.
Well, you weren't kidding. Kids really should probably dress up as a rain gutter on Saturday. I mean,
it looks like it's going to be pretty wet. I mean, it is still a ways out, so the timing could change and all that. But for now, I would go ahead and start making that plan, making the plan.
We love
for a
your
really
positivity,
wet day.
but yes, make your plans now. Thanks, Kristen.